Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to hopefully fix those pesky USB ports that aren't working or responding properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. It's a frustrating issue. Maybe your mouse, keyboard, or external drive just won't connect, but this should be a pretty straightforward process to sort out. So let's jump right into it. First up, let's check the drivers. Open the search menu, click the magnifying glass on your taskbar, and type Device Manager. When it pops up as the best match, go ahead and launch it. In the Device Manager window, scroll down until you see Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Double-click that section to expand it. You'll see a list of USB-related devices. Now right-click the first USB item you see. It could be a hub or a root controller, and choose Update Driver. A new window opens, select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then on the next screen, pick Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Hit Next, and if there's a generic USB driver listed, select it and click Next again to install it. Repeat this for every USB item in the list. Right-click, Update, Browse, pick from the list, and Next. It might take a few minutes, but it's worth a shot to refresh those drivers. Close out of Device Manager, head back to the search menu, and this time type CMD. When command prompt shows up as the best match, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt pops up, click Yes to proceed. Now, in the video description below, I've got a command ready for you, something like msdt.exe -id DeviceDiagnostic. Copy that command. Then, in command prompt, right-click the top bar, go to Edit, and hit Paste. Press Enter to run it. Once it's done, a DISM window might pop up. Click the Advanced button, check the box for Apply Repairs automatically, and hit Next. Follow any prompts that come up. It's checking your system health and might take a few minutes, so hang tight. While we are here, let's run one more scan to be sure. Back in command prompt, type SFC scan now. That's SFC /scan now, all one word. Hit Enter to start it. This is the system file checker. It will scan your Windows files for anything corrupted and try to fix them. It's not quick. It might take 10 or 15 minutes depending on your system, so be patient and let it run its course. You will see a progress percentage ticking up as it goes. When it's finished, it will let you know if it found and fixed anything or if everything is already good. Once that scan wraps up, close command prompt by clicking the X, and it's time to restart your computer. Click the Start menu, hit Restart, and let your system shut down and boot back up. Give it a minute or two to settle in, then plug in your USB devices, mouse, keyboard, whatever, and see if they are working now. Between the driver updates, the DISM repair, and the SFC scan, we have hit the most common culprits. That's it, folks. Hopefully your USB ports are back in action after these steps. If this fixed your issue, smack the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Catch you all in the next tutorial. Stay connected.